Such a small thing that makes a huge difference. Welcome, welcome, welcome to the Cobra Pit. The Model X are known for its blind spots. Those huge B-pillars make it a little more challenging to see your blind spot. Yes, you can always look at the screen to see the cars in proximity to you, but I wouldn't trust that 100%. Always look over your shoulder into your blind spot. Some vehicles have sensors on the side mirrors, but always check your blind spots. It would be nice if Tesla automatically enabled this feature on the screen where once you put on your signal, they'll show you what's on the side of you and what's behind you, but still, always check your blind spot. But the easiest and best thing to do is when you check in your mirror, you will be able to see what's in your blind spot from your mirror. This is all possible with Convex mirrors. Hansshow sent out another great product. Add this one to the smart ring to unlock and drive your car. The power Frunk and Trunk, they're on a roll. Such a simple idea like this makes a huge difference. Having convex mirrors gives you a wide angle, a greater view of your surroundings. They come in two colors, either the clear or the blue, which is their anti-glare. I want the anti-glare because once you remove the OEM mirror, you lose the auto dimming feature. Some people liked it, some people didn't. So I went with the anti-glare anyway, so I wouldn't have that problem day or night. Removal is pretty easy. Once you get your mirror in a spot where you can easily get your fingers behind it and give it a good tug, it'll come right out. I was a little worried about, breaking the mirror, but I was gentle. I gave it a nice, good little poof, and then you heard it pop, pop. It's just held in by these small brackets. You won't break it if you pull directly out towards you. Go ahead and take a small pry tool. I took a little Phillips to remove the auto dimming function. And then also it's a quick pull to remove the heating function to help defrost the mirrors. Now, once you get this off, you can see the differences right here. It's a whole lot more going on, but like I said, this is the auto dimming function, and I'm just gonna go ahead and tape that up. Pro tip, if you're taping something that you might use again, you can start with reverse taping with electrical tape and then flip it over to the regular side. That way when you remove it, there's no adhesive or residue there that's gonna stick to the cords. Putting the new one on is just as easy. Connect the two wires, it doesn't matter which one goes in which, then line it up and just press. You'll hear it snap, make sure it snaps all over, and then you'll see a huge difference. Now, comparing them side by side is kind of hard to see, but once you get out on the road, you'll notice immediately, wow. I can see so much more. And of course, you repeat the process on the other side. This can be done in like 5 to 10 minutes. Pretty simple, pretty straightforward. Some people say use a pry tool. I was able to stick my hands in between and just pull it apart. Now you'll be able to notice while driving, I can see the cars directly next to me in my blind spot. I can see when they move from my peripheral vision right to my blind spot just by looking in my mirror. It's instantaneous. Now I am still used to checking over my shoulder just to be certain, but every time I've looked, the mirror is there. Now don't go around driving saying, oh, Cobra told me that I could go ahead and not use my check over my blind spots anymore. No, but it does give you that added comfort. Now I'm not so worried about these huge B pillars, and I think I'm gonna get it on my Model 3 as well. It's a great feature to have. It's very simple to install, and you have your choice. The blue does take getting a little bit used to, but it kind of feels like it's tinted a little bit, and after driving with it for a couple days, it's nothing. You do need to get used to seeing the perspective change a little bit because you've been looking at your side mirrors for so long the same way. It's a little different and it may be jarring at first. When I first put them on and I was reversing out of the garage, I was like, whoa, wait. Oh, okay, yeah, I can see everything. I think it's something you should definitely look at. If you're interested, 15% off. Link is in the description. Use the code 15 off for you and go ahead and pick this up. Just don't forget, Cobra told you. All right, y'all, thanks.